An incredibly delicious summer salad with burrata, prosciutto, and strawberries for a romantic dinner with a glass of Prosecco or an Aperol. Cut the strawberries into quarters or however you prefer. I like cutting them into quarters. Lay a bed of washed and thoroughly dried arugula on a serving plate. Place the burrata on top and gently tear it open with your hands, allowing the creamy center to flow out naturally. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper, then finish with a generous drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Arrange the prosciutto on top, then gently tear it into bite-sized pieces with your hands. Top with the sliced strawberries. Drizzle with a little balsamic glaze to finish. And for the final touch, grate 3 to 4 frozen strawberries over the top. It adds an incredibly fresh burst of flavor. I hope you enjoy it. This salad is a little gourmet, but the combination of peppery, arugula, salty prosciutto, sweet tart strawberries, and creamy burrata is simply incredible. Every bite is fresh, perfectly balanced, and absolutely delicious. Enjoy.